Talk this morning, we are asking what are some appropriate first date questions. People have a whole heap of first date questions, but
page 26,
what is appropriate? That's what we are asking. First of all, you see how the great Justice
he
came as a guest, and the first thing he did was he brought a gift. So any question him want to ask me,
no.
Me I go answer.
No.
Because he set a precedent.
No.
Yes?
No. I'm looking at these questions and I know the answer to what you just
too
said.
long on and then you
no.
want to question me. But let us go.
Here is the first question.
Yes.
Wait. Okay, this is on a first date.
Mm-hmm.
On a first date. How much do you make? Because why?
Not unless you... are you HR?
Because why? Is this a job interview?
What are you asking me? How much do I make?
Even if you're paying the bill, that is negatory. None of your end.
I would have keep my answer. It wouldn't pretty, you know.
What you would tell him...
Can't say it on the TV.
No, what you would tell him is to excuse you because you're going to the restroom, which is your clutch response.
No. I wouldn't even hide that I'm leaving.
Oh.
I wouldn't hide that I'm leaving.
Yeah, how much do you make it's not a thing. Mm-hmm. Gentlemen, ladies, and this is both ways, by the way. This is girl talk.
Ladies, don't ask the man how much he's making either on the first day.
None of your business.
Then send him to school. You work at are you a teller?
Then none of your business. Even if you are.
Don't matter. Are you a financial advisor?
Analyst.
Okay.
It's a no.
It's a no for me. What is the next question, Simone?
What are you looking for in a partner?
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
Not bad.
Because you want to see if that person has the attributes or if you're aligned. So if he's saying, I'm looking for somebody who likes to party 5 nights a week. I like to take long trips to Paris and my partner pays. Problem. Immediate. If you're a homebody. Yes.
I want someone who's very domesticated.
Yeah. Cook every day.
We're clear from early. I like it.
Yeah.
That's a good question to ask.
This is true. This is because you always say establish from early.
Well, let's see the next question. Why would somebody ask somebody that on a first date? How much do you weigh? Are you your scale?
I know you was going to ask that.
How much do you weigh?
Why?
Do you have a private jet and you have to find out how much pounds we're going to put in it?
Even so.
No, but I could have that alone make you ask me.
Even so.
You know the little aircraft, the little seaplane, them you literally have to weigh before you go in. Because them have to but that's the only reason you don't have to weigh me.
Calibrate.
Go up on one plane somewhere.
Okay, where you get these questions? Clive? Can you ask our producer where these questions have been sourced from? Because the next one, I want to know if somebody really... Is that your real hair? Is that a real question? Like, if my money paid for it, does it make it really mine? It's mine. Because I bought it.
Real hair?
Is that your real level of intelligence? If you ask that question, don't ask that question.
Well, is that yours?
Don't ask that question.
Is that your real face?
Harris,
but my mother would have said, I'm a fool according to him folly. I said, my mother, where's the...
Harris, the next question I saw you make a post about the other day. So if somebody asks you this question, what is your response to
What do you bring to the table?
What is your response?
I'm leaving the table. What do I bring to the table? Oh, we reach a table. We
just sitting at the chair.
We just sit down.
It's
darling,
true.
We still look on the chair foot. We not reach table yet. What do I bring to... We not reach this one.
When do you... Is it okay? You can't have that discussion. I don't think. Because you approach...
Not on the first date.
I don't know if you have that discussion at all. Because there's something that attracts you in the first place. And there are things that you
Maybe further. If we really get serious.
Further down, you have to ask what you bring to the table. That's a problem. Because that person ought to be demonstrating along the way exactly what they bring to the table while you stay seated at it.
No, Simone, because some of them bring debt and creditor and all kind of things.
But you think they're going to reveal that to you at the table?
Me want to know if no strange people are going to come at the yard and ask if me push out my head or me go hide. Me want to know if you bring that to the table. Are you bringing any problems? But not right now. I wouldn't ask that on the first date. That's crazy.
Would you ask if they have any children on the first date?
Depending on where the conversation is going, I might. I might.
I think that's important.
I might.
Do you have one?
It's a red flag for me, if you have children
and you don't talk about them. Yeah, for sure.
And I don't see you making it. If you can't call me one time and say, listen, we can't do this because I got to spend time with the kids, or this not gonna happen because this money I forgot to add school fee, is a red flag for me.
What about how many kids do you have? Because true by now,
no, but then I said,
there's a difference between 1 and 100.
No, it's a double barrel question.
Okay.
Do you have any kids?
Yes.
How many do you have?
Right.
And then depending on the how many, me might ask you, how many mothers are there?
Yes. And then you have to go to the bathroom.
You might can negotiate one or two, mother, but if it reach 3, 4, or 5,
you don't come back in.
Me never got no theological seminary. Me no know how to deal with a congregation. Me can't take
No, and Jamaican men have been known to be very
some of them, women,
giving.
Women too, men. I'm not just talking about the men. Men too. You're talking to a lady and she has several fathers for her children. You have to think about how you're going to negotiate that, So, not saying you can't, just think about how you're going to do it. Do you have any mental health issues?
The person who's asking that question must have. Because you must be a crazy person if you ask somebody that question there.
Do you have any mental health issues?
Do not do it. Mm-mm. Do not do that. When did your last relationship end?
Would I say anxiety, and you're bringing it up right now?
Causing it.
Yes, anxiety. My mental wellness. I
think you can ask this next one.
How did your last relationship end? Why?
Why did your last relationship end? I don't know if that's a bad relationship. I actually think that's very instructive.
That's good. Yeah.
But will the person give you an honest answer is the thing. I guess time will reveal. But I don't think it's a bad question to ask. Or when.
Yeah.
Because you might be surprised to know that the person you're at the table with who's asking you what you bring to the table is still at the table with somebody else.
Yeah. We're out of time, so I'll just pick one that I think is something that... Wow,
look at number 12. Oh, my God.
See it. As a matter of fact, I think after that, nothing else would ever ask.
Oh, my God. Do you always eat or drink this much?
Yeah. How many people have you been with? That's invasive.
Certainly on the
Where do you see this relationship going? Might be a little early for the first.
For the first date?
Yeah, might be a little early.
That's a red flag.
Yeah, it might be a
That's
little
scary.
early.
All right. Wow.
What are you guys doing on dates these days?
I'm just saying.
Those are the
questions. We need to have this offline discussion. All right, that's our girl talk for this week.